Jobs for the win, spinners are winners.
So welcome to Power Loss Geography and Massage. We're going to be doing a review today on the amazing, handmade in Britain, Brompton folding bicycle. This is the M6L model. I'm going to give you a little review on the things we like, things we'd like to see changed, where we've taken it and what we've used it for. So stay tuned. We're going to cover everything from the great brakes, the easy folding mechanism, even the Brooks saddle, and how great this is, even coming with mud guards. You can use it year round, doesn't matter if you live in England, a little bit rainy, even in Canada. I've used it on snowy days here. Got the T-bag block on the front, so you can put anything from a 10 litre to a 36 litre bag on the front, bag on the back. Amazing. Cheerio. Hi, so we're continuing the review of the amazing Brompton folding bike. This one has been with us now. It's been down to America, it's travelled around the UK, we've backpacked around Thailand with it. Absolutely amazing bike. You can rock your GPS Wahoo on the front, change the saddle. That was a personal preference for me. Went over to a Brooks spring-in saddle. Vegan options now available, and we've also had the T-bag bracket fitted to the front. Super easy. Then you can just clip on your bag for traveling. We had the big 36 litre bag, and that did us all around Thailand. Up front, you've got caliper brakes, plenty of stopping power here, plenty of stopping power. You can adjust them down here, you can adjust them up on the handlebars. You've got plastic mud guards or fenders, depending what country you're in. Absolutely great, so you don't have to worry about snapping them or breaking them. And an extra little flap here so you don't get any spray onto your feet. If I spin it around, at the back, this is the M6 model, so 6 gears, and you're rocking the Brompton built-in hub. It's a Sterny Archer hub, so this one has 3 gears built in here, so you don't have to worry about servicing it or cleaning it. And then you've got 2 extra sprockets here that are adjusted with the side derailleur here. So you've got a total of 6 gears, plenty enough to be going up any hills. This has been around Thailand, it's been around Florida, it's been around Canada. Absolutely no problems. Works really well. Spin away. Front click with your shifters at the front here. So you've got your up and down 3 gears on the right. Then you've got your left shifter here. We'll maybe do another video on how it works, but it works sequentially. So it'll be 1 down, 2 up, 3 up, 4 down, 5, and then 6. One of the great things with a Brompton is so well designed. It even comes with a rear shock absorber that you can modify depending on what you weigh, and it does make a hell of a difference. These little wheels help it to move around, and you can get a rack on the back that you can even use it then as a shopping cart when you stop anywhere. Other little crazy good design features are even the pedal will fold down. So it can completely fit into any luggage bay. If I show you how it folds down, clip under here, back wheel comes under, and that's how you can park it and leave it. And it's super sturdy. And if you have your bag on the front, it won't affect it at all. And then if you're going to fold it down, use these levers here, spin them around. They only ever have to be finger tightness. Then this will spin around here, clips onto the back of the onto the rear chainstay. Undo this one here for the handlebars. We've got a couple of lights, so all we do is just move them around, move that on there, then this engages with that, boom, bring that down there, just spin it around there, so the pedals don't get caught. Lock that there, bring this, whoop, I've got the set quite stiff, pull that up, drop that down, lock it in, and you're good to go. Perfectly fine to carry around, not that heavy. You can get extra carrying straps and you can carry it pretty much anywhere. And then to open it back up again, open it up there, spin it tight. You can wheel it around like that. Unlock the seat post, pull that up, lock that out. Unlock the front wheel, spin it round, lock out the main tube, unclip the pedal, and you're good to go.